Hello guys, today we have more 5 questions for you about general knowledge. I hope you will like it. So let's start. The first question is, who discovers X-ray? Now time started. Yes. Give me answer guys. Yes. The answer is Wilhelm Rontgen discovers X-ray in 1895. The next question is, who discovers the electron? Now time started. Yes. 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 The answer is J. Thomson discovers the electron in 1897. The next question is, who develops many new uses for old crops? Now time started. Yes. Give me answer guys. Yes. The answer is George Washington Carver, the son of slave parents, develops many new uses for old crops. Next question is, who discovers that atoms have a nucleus or center? Now time started. Yes. Give me answer guys. Yes. Okay. The answer is Ernst Ruther discovers that atoms have a nucleus or center. The next question is, who split the uranium atom? Now time started. Yes. Give me answer guys. Yes. Yes. The answer is Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann split the uranium atom. This marked the beginning of the nuclear age. And don't forget, subscribe and like to my YouTube channel. Thank you.